Hi everyone! You've probably tried the image to video feature before, a powerful AI tool that helps you turn static photos into dynamic B-rolls and cinematic clips. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make your videos even more creative by using prompts inside image to video. With the right prompts, you can add camera motion, mood, and lighting, all from a single image. Let's dive in. When you open Image to Video, you'll see the Model option and the Upload Image section. Here's a quick tip. Only the VO 3 model supports generating sound effects at the same time. So if you want your clip to have sound, choose VO 3. The prompt box may look optional, but it's actually the key to creating high-quality AI videos. A good prompt gives your video direction, emotion, and depth. Today, we'll go through 3 creative prompt techniques and how to combine them to produce cinematic AI videos. The first technique, camera motion prompts. In traditional video editing, to create smooth camera movements like panning, zooming, or handheld shakes, you would use tools like Premiere Pro, After Effects, or real shooting gear like stabilizers or sliders. But now, with JoggAI, you can achieve all of this just by writing a few keywords in your prompt. Let's take this image for example. If you want to make the camera slowly zoom in, you can add prompts like gently push in toward the character or close up. Once you hit generate, you'll get this kind of shot, smooth and cinematic. Let's look at another example. We'll use this photo and create a shot that circles around the girl's face. Simply enter a prompt describing the camera orbit, and JoggAI will generate the effect perfectly. And it's not limited to still subjects. You can also make the camera follow a moving person, just like this, creating the exact shot you have in mind. You can also use camera motion creatively. For example, starting from a small detail and pulling out into a wide panoramic shot, or tracking and zooming in to emphasize movement or emotion. All of these effects can be achieved just by adjusting your prompt. The second technique, setting the mood. You can turn a single image into completely different emotional scenes just by changing your prompt. When you're editing a video and want to create a specific atmosphere, the Image to Video tool can help you achieve that effortlessly. Take this image as an example. Let's say we want this scene to feel joyful and full of energy. In the prompt box, we can type keywords like happy, bright, or cheerful, then click Generate. And here's the result. It feels like she just experienced something truly delightful. Now, let's switch it up. What if we want the same image to look mysterious and tense? We'll adjust the prompt with keywords like suspenseful atmosphere. Once generated, the image instantly transforms. It now carries a completely different, more suspenseful mood. The third technique, lighting prompts. Lighting is another key to making your videos look cinematic. By describing light color, tone, and movement in your prompts, you can completely change how a scene feels. Let's take this photo as an example. If you describe the lighting color like this, you can generate results that dramatically change the visual atmosphere. You can even describe the light's path or direction, such as under the top light, to create unique visual effects. With these lighting prompts, you can express a character's inner feelings, enhance emotional tension, or highlight a key moment in your story. You can also control where the light appears in the frame, just like this, allowing you to shape focus and emotion exactly the way you want. Now, let's combine camera motion, mood, and lighting into one prompt to create a truly cinematic scene. Take this image for example. Let's say we want to express a mood that feels mysterious, powerful, eerie, and a bit dangerous. We can combine the keywords for all 3 techniques in one prompt: atmosphere, camera movement, and lighting. Once generated, the result looks like this: a layered, complex, cinematic AI video clip. You can even add sound effects using the VO 3 model to make your scene feel more immersive and alive. Let's try another image using the same 3 techniques. mood, camera motion, and lighting. And you'll see how the final result becomes completely different, full of new energy and storytelling depth. And that's how you can use JoggAI image to video to create cinematic scenes just by mastering your prompts. Prompt writing opens up endless possibilities for creativity. Whether you're crafting storytelling videos, ads, or B-rolls, you can now achieve stunning results with just one image and the right prompt ideas. Go ahead and explore the world of AI video creation and share your ideas with us in the comments.